Get ready to see something truly transformative. Today, we're taking hair that's been through the ringer, dry, damaged, thick, and lifeless, and bringing it back to its radiant best. If you think your hair is beyond saving, stick around because what you're about to witness is nothing short of a miracle. This isn't just a makeover, it's a revival. Our dear client's hair has some unsuitable colors, is damaged, and has been bleached, which has caused further damage. The first step is to mix C5 hair dye with 6% developer. We will apply the dye starting from half an inch away from the roots. After 20 minutes, we will also apply the same mixture to the roots. The total processing time for the dye, from the first application, will be 45 minutes. This means that after applying the dye to the roots, we should wait an additional 20 minutes to ensure that the total time amounts to 45 minutes. After that, we will thoroughly rinse our client's hair. The hair dye process is complete, and now we move on to removing the highlights from the cap. I'm using a Robson cap, which is divided into circular sections, as shown in the image. Make sure to follow this sectioning to create beautiful highlights. After that, we pull strands of hair out of every fourth hole in the cap, just as demonstrated. Next, it's important to comb through all the hair to ensure that any strands left inside the cap come out uniformly. For the bleaching mixture, I use a mild bleach powder and 6% developer in a 1:3 ratio. This means if we use 50 grams of bleach powder, we need 150 grams of developer. The first step is to thoroughly apply the mixture to the roots and then to the lengths of the hair. We allow the mixture to process for 45 minutes. For the initial application, it's better to cover the hair with a plastic wrap after applying the mixture to trap heat and speed up the process. Please note that we are using a mild bleach powder, white and weaker, and 6% developer. After 45 minutes, we rinse the client's hair and prepare the mixture again with the same mild bleach powder and developer, following the same 1:3 ratio. We reapply the mixture, first to the roots and then to the lengths of the hair, covering the hair again. Since our client's scalp generates little heat, I also used a Climazon machine. The total processing time under the Climazon is 45 minutes, with the hair being under the machine for 15 minutes. After using the rotating Climazon for 15 minutes, we rinse the client's hair. Our goal is to achieve a level 8 bleach. I've just started this channel, and I'm thrilled to share with you the secrets that big channels won't. If you're finding these tips useful, make sure to subscribe and become part of our growing community. I'm dropping 3 videos every week, loaded with fresh ideas, challenges, and techniques you won't find anywhere else. Your support means everything to me, and together, we can explore the real magic of hair transformation. It's important to note that for this damaged and brittle hair, we should use very mild oxidizers and bleach powders. We've carefully followed all the steps, and now it's time to wash the hair. Here, we'll use a shampoo that thoroughly removes all the chemicals from the hair. After that, we'll apply a cream conditioner to make it easier to remove the cap without causing discomfort to our client. Once the conditioner is applied, we'll gently remove the cap and proceed to mix the toning color. When the cap is removed, make sure to shampoo the client's hair again. Then, dry the hair completely using a warm blow dryer and begin the spot treatment. Certain areas of the client's roots might need spot treatment to match the base color. Here, I used a mix of C4 and C5 in equal parts with 6% developer. I carefully treat all the root areas and any patches on the hair with this mixture. Between each layer, I use a sweet mesh or foil to prevent the color from bleeding into the previously lightened parts of the hair. Did you enjoy this transformation? If so, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with your friends. Your support is what keeps this channel going. Every like, comment, and share helps me continue creating content for you. So if you're loving these tips and tricks, make sure to spread the word and support the channel by subscribing too. This process needs to be done with the utmost precision to ensure that the color applied to the base does not touch the lower sections of the hair. That's why I used a sweet mesh. After half an hour, we rinse the hair again with shampoo. First, rinse with water, then shampoo, and prepare the hair for the final step, which is the toning. I'll provide the toning mixture on the image for you. Our desired mixture consists of super icy, silver violet, and purple violet, with the base being super icy. We combine 1 gram of silver violet and 2 grams of purple violet with 3% developer. Add a small amount of water and thoroughly massage the mixture onto the entire head and the lightened sections. The processing time is 15 to 20 minutes. After this, rinse the hair thoroughly with water. Only use a cream conditioner and then rinse again. The reason for using cream conditioners is to acidify the surface of damaged hair, which is a crucial step for all lightening and bleaching techniques. With this, the work is complete, and we begin styling and blow-drying the hair. I hope you are completely satisfied with this tutorial and that you can deliver beautiful and non-damaging results, even for clients with damaged hair. As we wrap up this video, I just want to say how much I appreciate each and every one of you. Your support means the world to me and truly gives me the energy to keep going. If you found value in today's transformation, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your comments and feedback are what inspire me to create more. So let's grow this community together. Every click, like, and share helps me bring more tips, tricks, and transformations to you each week. Thanks for being here, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.